In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable users to subscribe to your WordPress blog. Whether you're running a personal blog, a professional site, or just starting out, allowing your readers to subscribe is a fantastic way to build a loyal audience and keep them updated with your latest content. WordPress makes this process straightforward, and with just a few steps, you can configure your site to accept subscriptions seamlessly. If you're new to WordPress or need a little guidance, don't worry, I'll break everything down for you in a clear and easy-to-follow way. Now, before we dive into the setup, if you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. It's quick to create an account, and once you do, you'll have access to all the tools you need to manage your blog effectively. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen there. You'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to the login interface where you can access your account. Now, instead of manually entering your username and password, you'll see an option to continue with Google. Click on that button. This is a great choice because it's both convenient and secure. It uses your existing Google account credentials, so you don't have to worry about remembering another password. If you're logged into multiple Google accounts, you'll be prompted to select which one you'd like to use. Take a moment to choose the correct account, the one tied to your WordPress blog. Once you've made your selection, confirm it, and you'll complete the login process in just a few seconds. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to configuring your subscription settings. In your WordPress dashboard, locate the Settings option. You'll usually find this in the left-hand menu. Click on it to open the Settings area. This section is where you can control many of the features and interactions on your blog, so it's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with it. Next, within the Settings menu, look for the Newsletter option and click on it. This is the specific area where you'll manage your subscription preferences. Here, you'll see several options for customizing how your blog handles subscriptions. Take the time to review them, but for this tutorial, I recommend enabling the second and third options. These settings are particularly useful because they enhance the subscription process and ensure your readers receive important updates from your blog. Once you've made these selections, remember to save your changes. Look for a button or link labeled Save Settings and click on it. This step is crucial because it applies all the changes you've made and activates the subscription feature on your site. Finally, it's always a good idea to verify that everything is working as expected. Double-check that the settings you adjusted are saved correctly and that your blog is now ready to accept new subscribers. This confirmation step helps you avoid any potential issues later on. And that's it. You've successfully set up subscription settings for your WordPress blog. By following these steps, you've made it easier for your readers to stay connected and engage with your content. If you have any questions or run into any challenges, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe,